Hey everyone, check out this awesome video about Shinywing. If you like our video, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Hi everyone, I'm Paul and I'm thrilled to have you join us for this insightful journey into the history of Shinywing with a virtual tour of our shop. But before we start, here is the story behind Shinywing, and it's a story of evolution, perseverance, dedication to excellence, and above all, a love of Goldwings. I guess for myself, I got the Goldwing bug when I was around 18 and I had a 400 Super Dream at the time and it was in for repairs. And I got a spin home on the back of a Goldwing, which at the time would have been a 1200. And I was like, wow, I'm getting me one of these one day. And well, I guess here we are. Nestled in the heart of Little Island in County Cork, Ireland, Shinywing emerged onto the Goldwing scene in 2010 with a modest shop and a vision to redefine customer service in the industry. From day one, our mission was clear: to provide Goldwing enthusiasts with not just products, but an experience that would fuel their passion for Goldwings. Unfortunately, as we embarked on this journey, we did encounter challenges that tested our resolve. In our beginning years, we grappled with logistical hurdles, stock shortages, and communication lapses that left some of our valued customers, sorry to say, feeling disappointed, let down, and for that we are extremely sorry. However, with every setback served as a lesson, it fueled our determination to emerge stronger and better equipped to serve the Goldwing community. Over the past year, Shinywing has undergone a significant transformation. Our shop is 1,000 square feet of shelves brimming with an extensive array of Goldwing parts and accessories, meticulously sourced to meet the diverse needs of our clientele. While we may not have every item under the sun, we take pride in ensuring that the most sought after and innovative products are readily available for our customers. Whether you're in search of aesthetic enhancements or essential maintenance components, Shinywing is your one-stop destination for all things Goldwing. But our commitment to excellence exceeds beyond the confines of our physical space. With a global clientele spanning continents, we've embraced the challenges of international shipping with open arms. Partnering with a trusted courier service, we streamlined the delivery process, ensuring that 90% of all our shipments reach their destination within a matter of days. From the bustling streets of Manhattan to the serene countryside of the UK, we've cultivated, we hope, a reputation for reliability and efficiency. Sparing our customers in the UK post-Brexit the headaches of customs clearance and delays. And for those moments when urgency is paramount, we offer next day delivery options to our clientele in the UK. And in other countries, we have a 1 to 2 day delivery service available. For example, I got an order from a customer in the UK last Monday evening. We sent it out on Tuesday and the customer received that in the States that Thursday. And that was our standard delivery. We do charge a fixed price for shipping, so the larger the order, the cheaper the shipping becomes for the customer. Whether you're facing a looming deadline or simply eager to get back on the road, Shinywing is here to facilitate your journey with speed and efficiency. But perhaps what sets Shinywing apart isn't just our products and services, it's our unwavering commitment to achieving the customer satisfaction our customers deserve. We've learned from our past mishaps and our dedication to making amends. Every interaction, every transaction is an opportunity to exceed expectations and foster a lasting relationship built on trust and integrity. So whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of Goldwing, we invite you to experience the Shinywing difference. Our doors are open and our team are ready, and we are here to elevate your Goldwing journey to new heights. Join us and together let's embark on a ride fueled by passion, precision and unparalleled service. Welcome to the new Shinywing.